Hi, I'm Ortaaslan. I'm the integrator for the CSeries engineering simulator. This is my baby right here. I've been working on this rig for the last 2.5 years, and I've seen it from pretty much a skeleton to what it is today, almost a full flying airplane. And we've been flying the CSeries aircraft since about a year on this simulator. So this rig is really there for us to make sure that all the aircraft systems that are integrated together by various suppliers are working perfectly. And then we put the pilots in here and they go and fly it, and they do the assessment. Pilots can come and practice that flight that they're going to do tomorrow, for example, and make sure that they hit that test card in the morning and come back and redo another test. So this rig allows us to reduce the risk in our test execution time. We know that we're going to be able to do all our test points with more reliability and, of course, safety. It allows us to make sure that we can do our testing with lower risk. This is the computer room for the engineering simulator for the CSeries. What we have over here is the computers that are actually controlling the simulation. We have a lot of aircraft controllers that are actually thinking they're flying the airplane. So, for example, we have these here, the high lift computers, the flat flap computer, the fire protection system, some of the fly-by-wire systems, and we have many other systems in here, the landing gear computer, the APU, the fly-by-wire computers, the brake computers here, and we have in here the engine FADEX. So what makes this rig very, very different is that we have the real aircraft controllers that actually think that they're flying the airplane. So it gives us great credibility when we're doing testing, that we know that we're testing what's going to go on the airplane. This is the cockpit of the CSeries. This is the actual replica of what we're flying with on the flight test vehicles, and of course very close to what's going to be on a production airplane. We have the real fly-by-wire computers that actually think they're physically moving the real elevators and rudders and aileron. So we don't always need to have pilots in here. We can do testing much quicker, get the results quicker. If I have a fault, let's say, they saw in the air, they can come here, the engineers, and look at it. Gives us great flexibility, and it even gives us a lot of bandwidth in the flight test program, because it's almost like we have a 6th airplane in the CSeries certification program.